Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can pair and connect through Bluetooth your Vizio soundbar to your Amazon Alexa device. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to be hooking it in to my Echo Dot. So the first thing you want to do, just make sure that your Vizio soundbar is powered on. You can tell it's powered on with that little light indicator being on in the bottom left-hand corner. And then also hold down the pairing button, the little Bluetooth button here in the middle, for about 5 or so seconds until you see the lights sequencing up and down on the left-hand side of your Vizio soundbar. You can accomplish the exact same thing with the remote, just power it on with the power button, and then hold the Bluetooth button down in the upper right-hand corner there. Hold it down for about 5 or so seconds until you see that light bouncing up and down. And it should be in pairing mode for a relatively long period of time. I believe it lasts around 15 minutes, so you have some time. So now I'm going to go over to my phone and hook this into my Amazon Alexa device. Alright guys, so now I'm going to be launching my Amazon Alexa application, and if you have an Amazon device hooked in, you almost certainly have the Amazon Alexa app. It looks something like this, and you download it, of course, in the Play Store or the Apple App Store. So I'm going to launch Amazon Alexa's application, and then down in the bottom right-hand corner where it says Devices, that's what I'm going to click next. And then I'm going to be hooking it into my Echo Dot 3rd generation. So I'm going to click on where it says Echo and Alexa. And then clicking on my Echo Dot 3rd generation. And then down under the wireless category, it says Bluetooth devices. So I'm going to click that area next. And then pair a new device down there at the bottom. Click on that. So then it will be searching for all the devices in your general vicinity that you can pair through Bluetooth to, in my case, my Echo Dot 3rd generation, but this list should populate. So typically when I've paired my Vizio soundbar in the past, it has a name that I recognize, but that's not the case this time around. I believe it's the first item on this list, so I'm going to try that out. You guys might be running into the same issue where it's kind of hard to identify which device is your Vizio soundbar, but you can go through and just test out the different ones until you find one that works. So I'm going to go ahead and click the top one. Alright guys, so interestingly enough for me, in this example, it wasn't able to pair with that first option that I clicked, but then it repopulated the list of devices that I can pair to, and now it's really easy to tell which one is the Vizio soundbar, so I'm going to go ahead and click on it again and see how long it takes to pair in this instance.
Connected to Vizio SB3621N. Now that you're paired, next time just say, connect my speaker.
So it was able to pair within about 5 or so seconds, but now I have my Vizio soundbar hooked in and paired with my Echo Dot, my Amazon Alexa device. I hope this step-by-step tutorial was helpful. I ran into a little bit of issues there with the first time around trying to pair up the devices. I clicked on one of the options. It wasn't exactly clear which one was my soundbar. It failed the first time around, but then the list repopulated and it was much easier to tell the second time around which one was my Vizio soundbar. I connected up to that option and then it paired relatively quickly, and now I have those two devices connected together. So thanks guys for stopping by, consider subscribing, and I'll catch you back here next time.